Hello everyone, welcome to Abhijit Web Solution. So today we will learn about trans- translation. So let's start transformation. So transformation means changing some graphics into something else by applying rules. So there are four types of transformation. First is translation, rotation, scale, skew. So what is translate? So translation move an object to different position on the screen. So we are moving our object or image from one place to another place, right? हम अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे चेंज करने के लिए मूव करने के लिए ट्रांसलेशन यूज करेंगे. ओके, द सेकंड पॉइंट इज रोटेट. In rotation we rotate the object at particular angle theta from its origin. So we are rotating our image but at particular angle. Okay, तो अपनी इमेज को पर्टिकुलर एंगल पे रोटेट करेंगे. देन नेक्स्ट इज स्केल. स्केल टू चेंज द साइज ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट, स्केलिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज यूज. ओके, so scale is basically used to zoom in, zoom out also, and to change the size of, increase or decrease the size of image or object. Okay, then next is skew. In skew we are tilt or crook the object on x axis or y axis. Okay, so हम अपनी इमेज को थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा करेंगे on x axis or y axis. So how to do all these things? So let's start. So we will do all these things in HTML. So I have taken one new sheet, fresh sheet. Okay, so HTML head. Okay, then this is head close, then body open, then body close, then HTML close. Done everyone. So in this session we are using image, or we are working on a image. So image src. Okay, so we are taking a image name. Okay, so before taking, we are applying some width and height to image. इमेज को थोड़ा हाइट अप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, यानी पिक्सल, देन हाइट 300 pixels. Okay, pixel means particular on a screen there is a one point means dot को pixel बोलते हैं. Okay, so close the image, right? I want to show this image in a center, so I am using. Okay, मैंने इधर center tag use किया. Okay, so this image shown in a center. Okay, so suppose my image name is a aws cover dot jpg. Okay, then save it as a translation. Save aws. Okay, translation.html. whenever you are saving your image, जब भी आप अपनी image को save करते तो उसको extension .html देना होगा. Okay, save. So run this. Right, so this is my image. So now we are applying some translation on this, right? So how to translation apply on this? So we are using css. So css के लिए we are using style, right? Inside style tag we are applying some translation. So we are using hover property, hover, mouse hover property. Okay, so we are, so translation comes inside your transform. tag. Okay, so ट्रांसलेट बेसिकली यू शुड मूव योर ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. अपनी इमेज को मूव करना है या समथिंग कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव करना है तो वी आर यूजिंग ट्रांसलेशन. ओके, सो इट टेक्स टू पैरामीटर. सपोज मैंने इसको दो पैरामीटर इसको रिक्वायर है तो आई हैव गिवन टू पैरामीटर. First this one represent my x axis, this one represent my y axis, right? So it moves from 300 pixels. This is initial point, this is a destination point, right? Okay, now I copied this part. One more thing you have to take care of this. So whenever you run this in a different browser, suppose you are running this HTML file in a Chrome, so you have to write WebKit. Okay, if you are running this in a Mozilla Firefox, please use this moz as a prefix. Okay, so I have done all these things. So now I save this file and refresh it. Okay, refresh. Yeah, now it is moving very fastly. Okay, so इसको slowly move करने के लिए we are using transition. Okay, sorry. So we are using transition effect on an image. Transition. Okay, this is transition. We are applying this transition as all. We are giving some time. Okay, हम लोग इसको थोड़ा सा टाइम अप्लाई करते हैं तो स्लोली मूव होगा तो इजीली आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. इट इज़ वर्किंग और नॉट. ओके, तो मैंने सेव किया. सो नाउ रिफ्रेश दिस फाइल. So now you can see it's moving very slowly or very smoothly. Okay, this is mouse over property. when I जब भी मैं इसके ऊपर माउस के ऊपर ये कर्सर मूव करता हूँ ओवर करता हूँ. ओके, तो इट इज मूविंग वेरी स्लोली और स्मूथली. दिस इज अ ट्रांसलेशन प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, so we have done this translation. So now we are doing rotation. Okay, for rotation we are doing using same code rotate. Okay, inside that we are giving some, suppose giving some degree, कितना डिग्री घूमना, how much degree. So suppose I given 300 degree. Okay, okay, so now I save this file, refresh. Yeah, okay, sorry, I missed something. Now we have done all this thing, so refresh it. Now you can see it is moving, it is rotating. Okay, so आपने देखा ये मूव रोटेट हो रहा है. ओके, जब भी मैं इसके ऊपर माउस ओवर करता हूँ, माउस इसके ऊपर करता हूँ तो इट इज रोटेटिंग, राइट. सो दिस इज अ रोटेशन. ओके, तो हमने क्या किया, रोटेट किया इस इमेज को. सो वी कैन डू अनदर वे ऑल्सो. सपोज आई वांट टू रोटेट दिस इमेज on a x axis, so I will use this x as a prefix, as a suffix. Okay, at the end. Now save this file and refresh it. Okay, So you can see it is rotating on a x-axis, right? Horizontally, okay? Understood? So if I want to rotate this file, rotate this image on a y-axis, so I can do in this way also. सेव किया, ओके, रिफ्रेश किया, डन. Now it is rotating on a y-axis, okay, very easily, very smoothly it is rotating because I use here transition effect, okay. Done everyone. Suppose I want to scale scale this image, so I will use scale, okay. Scale, take a two parameter as a number, okay. Suppose I given 3 comma 5, okay. First element represent x-axis and second represent y, okay. This basically act as a zoom or zoom in zoom out, okay. Zoom in zoom out करते हम लोग, सेम थिंग वर्क करेगा, ओके. नाउ मैंने इसको सेव किया, ओके, रिफ्रेश किया, यू कैन सी इट इज जूम हुआ थोड़ा, राइट. नाउ जूम आउट, जूम इन, लाइक इन दिस वे, राइट. तो मैंने दो पैरामीटर दिए थे, आई हैव पास टू पैरामीटर 3 and 5, okay. Suppose I want to rotate zoom or scale it on a x-axis, so remove this one, apply here x, put a x here, okay. Save this file and refresh this, okay. So it is zoom हो रहा, थोड़ा सा width और size change हो रहा, shape change हुआ इसका size, okay. So ये x axis x position पे हो रहा है, it is working at horizontally. So you can change, suppose you want on a y-axis, so change this one, save this file and refresh it, okay. So you can change this, you can see this one. So ये y-axis पे हो रहा है, okay. So now we are using skew, okay. Skew, it takes two parameter. Suppose I given 30 degree in degree, okay, 30 degree and 60 degree. Save this and refresh it. Can see it is थोड़ा सा skew, थोड़ा सा tilde हुआ, ये cropped हुआ, okay. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हुआ image, 60 and 30 degree, okay. सपोज मैं एक ही कंडीशन पे चाहता हूँ, एक को टिल्ड करना चाहता हूँ एक्स एक्सिस, तो रिमूव दिस वन 60 degree, okay. And put here x, save it, refresh this file and see this थोड़ा सा टिल्ड हुआ, very little. So ये this मूव हुआ अभी, okay, horizontally वर्क हुआ. Suppose you want on a y-axis, so change this part, okay, and save it, refresh it, okay. So अभी वर्क किया ऐसा on a y-axis. It is easy. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video. Thank you everyone.